Manufacturers need better ways to evaluate factory layouts and production workflows before making operational changes. Physical testing can be disruptive, expensive, and may introduce safety risks that are difficult to predict. Artificial intelligence helps create simulations that reveal bottlenecks, improve resource utilization, and support workforce safety. Together with SmartSpatial, HPE Private Cloud AI provides a secure foundation for modeling factory operations and improving decisions.